Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about matrix. So now I will show you the technique. Question 1. 5D. We have 2A plus 3B. First, we need to find the value of A and the value of B. So about the matrix A, we have number 1, that is from here, and the small matrix that's in here, 1 0, negative number 1 and number 1. Next we have number 1 in here, so we need to have the negative number 1, and the matrix that should be 2 1 0 number 1. And the last one, negative number 1, we put in here, and we have 2 1 1 minus 1. Let's see about this one. So we have number 1 multiplied with number 1, negative number 1 multiplied with number 0 with the negative, so we got about 1 with 1 minus number 0. We have number 2 multiplied with number 1 minus number 0 minus number 1. We have negative number 2 minus number 1. So we got about 1 minus number 2, negative number 1, negative number 3, positive number 3. So we got about 1 minus 2 plus 3. You got about 2. Now let's go to the matrix B. About B, we do the same technique. This one we got about 15 plus 4, 20 minus number 2. Number 3, we have negative number 8, negative number 3, and we got about, you got about number 4. So we put number 4 in here, and now we can find the answer. So we have 2 multiplied with number 2, and we have number 3 multiplied with number 4, and we got about 16. The next one, we put about the matrix S equals to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And we know that's the matrix A. That's about this one. So we multiply with 2 matrices together, So for the first one, that's about A plus A multiplied with number 1, B multiplied with number 2, and we have C at location number 1 equal to number 1. So we do for the next one, D multiplied with number 1, E to E, F location this one, that's about number 4, and we do the similar. So we have A, B, C, and we have 1, 1, negative number 1. And this location in here, that's about negative number 1. D, E, F, 1, 1, negative number 1. And this is about number 3. And the next one, 3HI 1, 1, negative number 1, that's equal to negative number 2. And now we go to the last one, ABC, negative number 1 and 1. So we got about number 3. And we have DEF, negative number 1, 0, 1, location number 2. And the last one, that should be about number 5. After we create all 9 equations in here, we need to combine this equation with this equation and with this equation to find the value ABC. Later that we have number 4 with number 3 and number 2, and the last one, number 1 with negative number 2 and number 5, and the answer for matrix S you can get like this. And this is the answer of the matrix S: negative number 3, number 2, number 0, negative number 4, 5, negative number 2, negative number 5, number 3, and number 0. Now let's go to the last one. This one very simple. We just find the value of C. 2 multiplied with number 3, and we have minus 1 multiplied with number 3, and you got about 3. We put number 3 in here, and we can find the value of FC, and that's about 7. This is the end. Thank you for watching.